welcome back. So let's just go ahead and start. I'm going to be priming my face with the Dewy Lumino Photo Focus Face Primer from Wet n Wild. Going to apply it. We apply all this, so I guess we're going to use all this. So next, I'm going to be using this Dr. Brand No More Baggage. I'm gonna put it on my dark circles. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite one of all times, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm gonna start applying it with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. So next I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So do you guys think that my next video I should do like a Q&A so you guys get to know me, because I haven't done like a get to know me video and you guys have no idea of a lot of things about me. So if you guys want that, let me know so I can film it next time. To contour a little bit, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. Right, so to set my concealer in my face, I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to be using my butter bronzer to bronze my face. And I'm going to be using this Per Sculptor palette. I'm gonna be using the shade Inventor, which is this one. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my cheeks as well, just to carve it out a little bit more. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows and I apply some translucent powder under my bronzer so it looks more snatch. I'm gonna use this Note blush in the shade Desert Rose, which is like a peachy color. I'm gonna apply that in my cheeks. I'm gonna be using the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply the shade Coco Taxi. Alright, next I'm gonna use the shade Tropico, which is this one. Now for my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use the shade La Costa, which is this. Right, so that's that. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Now for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Wonder Beauty Unlashed mascara, and I'm going to apply it only on my upper lashes. For my highlight, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Glow Kit with Nicole Guerrero, and I'm going to use the shade Daydream and Glow Getter mixed, these two, since I went for a very peachy kind of look. And I'm gonna use my Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild for my face. So for my lip liner, I'm going to use my lip liner from Jordana in the shade Rock and Rose. Right, so for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Ultra lipstick in the shade Verona. And I'm gonna apply it on top of my lip liner. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do these very simple but still glam makeup look. So yeah, I hope you take this tutorial and do it yourself, because it was very simple and very easy. Please remember to let me know down below if you guys would like a chit chat makeup slash get to know me type of video, so you guys, you know, are able to know more about me, because I know that most of you don't know anything about me, and I believe that that's a very good idea. But if you guys want to watch it, please let me know, so I know that you guys want to watch me talk about myself for a couple minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn your post notifications on so you get notified every single time that I post a video. Thank you all so much for tuning in today and just watch me do my makeup. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.